Hey, what's up everybody? So we just got the Nexar One dash cam. I'm sure if you're searching this, maybe you heard of it, maybe not, but they put these for pre-sale last year around November and they were supposed to ship in January. Well, it's the end of June and we just got it now. So we've been waiting like, was that 8 months almost for it to finally ship? I know they've been having a lot of issues. I guess some of the models they shipped out, the connectivity didn't work, the recording didn't work. So we're gonna open this up, see what's in the box, and then we're gonna take it out and test it and see how it works. So we'll let you know. Let's see what's in here. Feels pretty heavy, not gonna lie. I didn't think the box was gonna be this big, so hopefully the unit isn't that big. If it is, I don't know. Could take up a lot of space on the windshield. So we got cabin, the Nexar One, and the connectivity part. So we ordered all three: the cabin, the exterior, and the connectivity. So hopefully it all works. I'm gonna assume I'm gonna have to subscribe to something. I have the Owl Cam now, and that works okay, but sometimes it just doesn't connect or you don't get notifications until too late. So hopefully this works a little better. I don't have much faith though, I'm gonna be honest. It just doesn't, the way their launch was conducted, I can't see them having too good of quality control because it was a disaster. There, so we got the outside, the inside, and the connectivity part. Connect that. Connect that. It's pretty big. The whole unit is definitely way larger than the Owl Cam, that's for sure. Got some cables. Got this mount, I guess, for the windshield. Got this little piece to tuck the wires in your dash. Got some little wire mounts. And a charger. We're gonna go outside and hook it up to the car, and then we'll do a video in the car, I guess, when it's hooked up. See you in a little bit. All right, everybody, we're in the car. We're gonna try and get this thing hooked up. First thing we gotta do is hook it up to the power. Might be a little dark in here, but it's the way it is, sorry. The camera I have currently is the Owl Cam, which mounts right there. I have to put a hat under it or else it keeps falling, because the little sticky thing doesn't work too well. So, all right, I'm probably out of focus, but whatever. All right, let's see if we could hook this up in the USB thing and not the actual port, because that'll save me. Made a noise, so we got to open up the Nexar app on the phone, looking for the dash cam. Connected. We got to update the app. Man, it says 4 minutes left on the update. We might have to come back when this update is over. All right, it's activating the dash cam. We paired with it with Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi. Alright, it's telling me I have to mount it now. Remove the stickers from the camera's lens, clean the windshield area, make sure your camera is horizontal and the views aren't blocked before you stick it. So I'm going to mount it right up here. See where we should put it. I think we're gonna put it right there. Take off this 3M.
Please turn off camera, reconnect LTE connectivity add-on firmly, and turn camera on.
We're going to try and link the subscription so we can get the live view when we're not by the car. It's only $9.99 a month, which is better than the Owl Cam. I think I pay $20 something a month for the Owl Cam subscription. All right, a little confusing, but I think we got it. Nexar app. The only thing is, I kind of wish I had a screen on the actual camera so you could see what was recording. I don't see an option for that on the phone, so like how do I know if it's actually recording or not? It says recording. I guess you have to, all right, there we go. Once you select stream, it'll show you what it's actually looking at. All right, I guess we're live. I guess we'll see if it keeps working. I'll report back after a few days and give you an update, but glad I finally got it. And now I can cancel the Owl Cam subscription and get rid of that thing, so. All right, I'll let you know how it goes. Anyway, I'll show you tomorrow. It's too dark. I snaked it over the dash and down the bottom. All right, what's up? So I've been using the Nexar for a few days now, and I cannot get the connectivity to work. Even right here, I'm parked outside the house, and if I try and hit the live thing on the app, I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. It just, it won't connect to it. I've tried it in a few different places. Maybe I have to keep it continuously powered, I'm not sure, but I thought it had a battery in it, and I have to see if I could hook it up to continuous power and then see if I can get it to work. We'll report back. All right, so the camera's on now. I believe I'm connected to it through Bluetooth. So I'm gonna shut off my Bluetooth, shut off my Wi-Fi. Now I'm gonna try and turn on the camera remotely. So it should go through just through cell service. And the car's on, the camera's on. Now keep in mind I'm only 40 feet away. So if I turn my Bluetooth on, obviously it's going to connect through Bluetooth, but I cannot get this to connect through the cell service. Whether the camera's on or it's off in park mode, it just won't connect. What's up, everybody? All right, so a little update. Actually got the remote connect to work one time after talking to Nexar's support, but haven't been able to get it work since then. It took about a minute to get to work. They had me turn my Wi-Fi and my Bluetooth off, but I did it when I was in the car. And it hooked up, it actually opened up the Photos app in order to stream it, which was kind of weird. But I haven't been able to get it work since then. I've tried from multiple different places, thinking maybe it was like a camera connectivity issue. But another problem with the app is they don't show you what level strength your signal is from the Nexar dash cam. So you can't tell if you have a strong signal, a weak signal. It doesn't show up at all. So I think that's something they got to fix. They definitely need to fix the way it streams. You shouldn't have to stream it through your Photos app when you connect to it remotely. Another thing that's kind of annoying is when you want to download clips, you have to upload them to the cloud first, and then download them from the cloud. There's no way to directly download them from the Nexar camera right to your phone. It's kind of annoying because the cloud upload's pretty slow. So, so I wouldn't really recommend getting this camera right now. I would honestly wait. Maybe if they come up with some firmware updates and it works better. But yeah, I would definitely stick with the Alcam. It's worth the extra $10 a month over the Nexar just because the remote connect works so much better.